Caligula ruled from 37 through 41 CE. Although his name is often associated with a ruler gone mad, when Caligula first came to power in 37 CE, he was well received by the Roman people. For the first 6 months, Caligula was believed to be a kind young emperor. He was very intelligent and implemented much needed public reforms. He declared treason trials, which were often used to silence those who spoke out, a thing of the past, and recalled those who had been sent into exile. He helped people who lost property in fires, abolished certain taxes, and restored democratic elections. Caligula completed the Temple of Augustus and the Theater of Pompey and expanded the imperial palace. He began the construction of aqueducts as well, which are still viewed as engineering marvels. It is said Caligula got very ill and suffered a high fever, although some claim he was poisoned. He survived, but his personality changed. He started acting erratically, becoming increasingly wicked and cruel, having fits of anger and ordering murders. He even had close family members executed, including his cousin and adopted son Tiberius Gemellus, his father-in-law, and his brother-in-law. His 2 surviving sisters were exiled. Eventually, officers of his own imperial guard assassinated the mad tyrant and named his uncle Claudius emperor.